Ever wondered if that spare change app, Raiz, is too good to be true? It's certainly tempting, effortlessly investing your small change and potentially growing your wealth without really feeling it. But before you dive headfirst into rounding up your purchases, let's pull back the curtain and explore some of the potential downsides of using Raiz. Think about it. Those small, seemingly insignificant contributions can add up over time, both in terms of investment growth and, yes, fees. While Raiz boasts low minimum investments and accessibility, the fee structure, particularly for smaller balances, can eat into your returns more significantly than you might initially realize. For accounts with lower balances, the fixed monthly fee can represent a larger percentage of your total investment compared to accounts with more substantial holdings. This means your returns have to work harder just to break even. Another aspect to consider is the limited investment options. Raiz offers a selection of premixed portfolios with varying risk levels. While this simplicity is great for beginners, more experienced investors might find the lack of customization and direct control over their asset allocation frustrating. You can't pick individual stocks or bonds. You're essentially placing your trust in Raiz portfolio construction. This might not align with everyone's investment strategy or risk tolerance in the long run. Then there's the psychological side of things. The set-and-forget nature of micro-investing can sometimes lead to a lack of engagement with your investments. You might not be actively monitoring your portfolio's performance or understanding the underlying assets. This detachment could be detrimental, especially during market downturns, where a more hands-on approach might encourage informed decisions rather than panic selling. Furthermore, the returns generated through Raiz, like any investment, are not guaranteed. While the historical performance of the market might look promising, past results are never indicative of future success. Market fluctuations can impact your portfolio value, and the small, incremental contributions might not provide a significant buffer against substantial losses. It's crucial to have realistic expectations about the potential returns and understand the inherent risks involved in any investment. Liquidity is another factor to keep in mind. While you can withdraw your funds from Raiz, the process isn't instantaneous. Depending on the timing of your request and banking processes, it might take a few business days to access your money. If you need immediate access to your funds for an emergency, Raiz might not be the most suitable option. Finally, let's touch upon the potential for over-reliance. Raiz can be a great tool for starting your investment journey, but it shouldn't be seen as a complete financial solution. Relying solely on micro-investing might not be sufficient to reach your long-term financial goals, such as retirement or a significant purchase. It's essential to consider Raiz as part of a broader, well-diversified investment strategy. So, while the allure of effortlessly growing your wealth with Raiz is strong, it's crucial to be aware of these potential downsides. Understanding the fee structure, limited investment options, the importance of engagement, the inherent risks, liquidity considerations, and the need for a comprehensive financial plan will allow you to make an informed decision about whether Raiz aligns with your individual financial circumstances and goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.